Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. Be able to, be assured, be called upon, be certain, be clearly, be considered, be done, be gratified, be greatly, be it so, be made, be pleased, be received, be said, be satisfied, be saved, be seen, be such, be supposed, be sure there, be the case, be there, be this, be thought. Be told that, be your, bear in mind, because he could not, because he is now, because he was, because it cannot be, because it is, because it was, because it will be, because of their, because such, because they have, because this, because we are, because we have, been able to, been answered, been done, been enabled, been known, been observed, been received, been required, been said, been so, been taken, been told, been understood, been him, before his, before my, before me, before the war, before us, before you, being the case, being the same, believe that, best of my recollection, best of our ability, best possible, best time, best way, best wishes, better and better, better still, better than, between his, between our, between which, blacker and blacker, both sides, bound to say, boys and girls, breach of faith, break up, bring forward, bring up, British Empire, British Railways, British ships, broken up, business experience, business letter, business man, but can, but may, but one, but so, but such, but surely, but tell, but that, but there, but they are, but they will, but this, but we have received, but we have taken, but we may, but when, but whenever, but whether, but would, but you will have, by all means, by and by as many, by certain, by circumstances, by considering, by every, by far the least, by far the most, by far the worse, by him, by his own statement, by his own supposition, by it, by itself, by its means, by land and sea, by many, by me, by my, by means of, by no means, by one, by our, by people, by permission, by reason, by several, by some means, by some other means, by something, by such, by that, by the chairman, by the government, by the house, by the means, by the same, by the way, by their means, by their own, by this nation, by this time, by those who are, by those who are not, by way of, by which it appears, by which it can, by which it has, by which it is, by which it may, by which it seems, by which it would, by which many, by which means, by which you, by your own, by your request. Stop.